Emotions are very complex. It's sometimes difficult to grasp it yourself in the first place, how you feel, because you have to be very aware. So in order to make this collection, I had to really dig deep within myself in order to feel the spectrum of emotions that I'm translating in the Trypophilia collection.
When the designer wants to create something really outstanding, when we're dealing with innovation, then there's a certain vulnerability. I'm bringing something new out of myself, and how is this going to be perceived? My job as creative director is also to make sure that the path in front of it is fully paved and secure.
Building this collection is a combination of science, technology, and fashion. I want to create tools to make emotions visible, so you don't necessarily need words in order to communicate them.
When I met Jasna and we were talking about her project, I thought the best fit for her would be to work with Travis Fitch, a man who knows how to create poetry through the 3D software.
This process is like super analog digital, right? Like Jasna will cut things up with paper and try it on the body and get the form right. She can send it to me and I can scale that up to the right size, start to trace it digitally, and then we take that digital outline and start to run it through these different processes. It allows you to put all of these different geometric structures in all of these crazy arrays that can have different curvature and shape and color.
For the first time, the textile can become the skeleton of the dress. The textile itself can carry the 3D printed elements.
Printing directly on fabric means you have something very wearable, right? You have something very comfortable.
I like to call it techno-material because you can control every part and pixel.
3D printing allows you to almost give the gradient of emotions as well.
In the next year, you will see a lot of examples done with our technology that will come out in the high-end fashion. The challenge of the creative director is really to take two opposite disciplines. The designer must break the rules. The business has to answer a certain demand. We have to make sure that the idea fits into a running business. Being ambassador of these two entities is really where the magic happens.